In today's class, we will look at types of molecules by Lewis structure. According to Lewis structure, we have normal octet molecules, hypovalent molecules or electron deficient molecule, hypervalent molecules or expanded valence shell molecule, resonant molecule, and electron deficient molecule. Now let's look at the first, which is normal octet molecules. These are molecules with 8 electrons in their central atom. Now, if you look at methane, the Lewis structure of methane, which we have already discussed in our previous classes. Now, this is the structure, the Lewis structure of methane. You can see that the carbon, which is the central atom, has 4 bond pair, 1, 2, 3, 4, making 8 electrons. If you look at ammonia, ammonia has 1 lone pair and 3 bond pair. So 3 bond pair give you 6 electrons, with 1 lone pair give us 8 electrons. Now if you look at ozonium ion, 3H plus, available electron there is 8. We have the oxygen, we have the 3 hydrogen, 3 bond pair making what? Making 6 electrons, plus the 2 plus the lone pair making what? 8 electrons. So we can see that each of these species has what? 8 electrons. So they are normal octet molecules or ion. The second type is the hypovalent or electron deficient molecules. They simply has less than 8 electrons in their what? Lewis structure. Now, if you look at BF3, if you look at BF3, we have discussed BF3 in our previous classes. Now, this is the Lewis structure of BF3. Now, you can see that each of the fluorine has 8 electrons, making a total of 24 electrons, which is available. Now, we cannot convert any of these lone pair to a bond pair because fluorine cannot form what? More than a single bond, because the oxidation state of fluorine is -1, implying only single bond. So you can see that the boron has 6 electrons, which is less than what? 8 electrons. Any species in which the central atom has less than 8 electrons, we call it electron deficient. Now let's look at CH3 plus. Now available electron, carbon is 4, hydrogen, 3 hydrogen will give me 3 electrons, which is 7. The +1 means we are going to remove 1 electron, making what? 6 electrons available. So we are going to have CH, and we have the 3 hydrogen, which is 6 electrons because it's an ion. We are going to put plus. Now each of the chlorine atom has what? Has 8 electrons, making what? 40 electrons altogether. But look at the phosphorus, which is the central atom, which is, we have how many bond pair? 5 bond pair around the phosphorus. Now 5 bond pair, each of the bond pair is made up of 2 electrons. So 5 bond pair will give me what? 10 electrons. So the phosphorus atom here has more than what? 8 electrons. So this molecule is expanded valence shell molecules. Now let's talk about resonant molecules. Resonant molecules are molecules with more than 1 structures. Any molecule with more than 1 structure is a resonant molecule. Now let's look at O3, which is ozone. Now the available electron in ozone will simply be 3 into 6 electron. Give me what? 18 electron. Now let's have the structure of ozone. One of the oxygen atom is the central atom. Let's complete the octet. This is 8 electron plus what? 8 electron, making 60 electron. There are 2 electrons remaining. That will be a lone pair on the oxygen atom. Now, if you look at the structure of ozone, you will discover that the central atom has 6 electrons, 2 bond pair and what? 1 lone pair, making what? 6 electrons. Now, oxygen has oxidation state of -2. Because oxygen has oxidation state of -2, the each of the oxygen atom attached to the central atom can form what? A double bond. So let's convert this bond, this lone pair to what? A bond pair. So we have now we can also do that for the second what? Oxygen atom. Instead of using the oxygen at the right hand, let's use the oxygen at the left hand. We can also have something like this, where the 2 electron remaining is contributed by the oxygen at the left hand. So ozone have 2 structures. It can be this or this, meaning that ozone has more than 1 structure. As a result, ozone is a resonant molecule. Now, the next type of molecule we are going to deal with is electron-rich molecule. Now, electron-rich molecules are simply molecules in which the central atom has what? A lone pair electron. So that will give me H, and that will give me H. That is H. Now, this is the Lewis structure of what? Ammonia. Notice that ammonia has what? A lone pair electron on the central atom. Because it has a lone pair electron on the central atom, that's the first rule. Number 1, there's a lone pair electron on the central atom. Number 2, the central atom has at least 8 what? 8 electrons. So if we have a lone pair electron on the central atom and the central atom has at least 8 electrons, that molecule will be what? Electron-rich molecule. So these are the 5 types of molecules we have if we draw a correct Lewis structure. Number 1, normal octet molecules. Number 2, electron deficient molecule. Number 3, expanded valence chain molecule. Number 4, resonant molecule. And number 5, electron rich molecule. Thank you.